Looking for a lucrative job opportunity? Or perhaps an income stream that allows you to work from the comfort of your own home? We've all been there, scouring the internet, scrolling through endless job listings, only to be left feeling overwhelmed and underwhelmed simultaneously. But what if there's a solution that offers good pay, flexibility, and job satisfaction? A solution that's just a click away, yet often overlooked? Well, you might find your answer in a place you least expect: live chat jobs. But don't just take our word for it. Hear it from those who have found success in live chat jobs. First, meet Jessica. A former retail worker, she was looking for a job that offered flexibility and the comfort of working from home. She stumbled upon live chat jobs and hasn't looked back since. For her, the best part is the ability to manage her work-life balance while making a steady income. Then there's David, a college student who needed to earn while studying. He found that live chat jobs were the perfect fit. He loves that he can work from anywhere and he's able to schedule his working hours around his classes. And let's not forget Maria. After 20 years in corporate, she yearned for a change. She took the plunge and started a live chat job. She tells us that the transition was smooth and the training was thorough. Now she enjoys the freedom and the variety of interactions with customers from all walks of life. John, a dad of 3, appreciates the financial stability that live chat jobs bring. He can support his family and still be present for the important moments. For John, this job has been a game changer. These are just a few of the countless individuals whose lives have been positively impacted by live chat jobs. They found their stride, discovered new skills, and have achieved a balance they once thought impossible. Indeed, live chat jobs have changed many lives, and they could change yours too. So, what exactly is a live chat job, and what does it entail? Well, let's unpack that, shall we? A live chat job is a customer service role that revolves around instant messaging, commonly known as chat. It's a real-time communication method that businesses use to interact with customers who visit their websites. But it's not just limited to customer service. It can also involve sales and technical support. Now, you might be wondering, what skills do you need for a live chat job? First, you need excellent written communication skills. Remember, you'll be communicating with customers entirely through text, so it's important to convey information clearly and concisely. Next, typing speed matters. The faster you can type, the more efficiently you can handle chats. And of course, you need to be a good listener, or in this case, a good reader, to understand customers' needs and provide appropriate solutions. But what about the tasks involved, you ask? Well, it varies. You might be resolving customer queries, providing product information, guiding customers through website navigation, or even closing sales. It's a diverse role that keeps you on your toes. Now, let's talk benefits. One of the big ones is the ability to work remotely. With just a stable internet connection and a computer, you can work from anywhere, be it your home, a coffee shop, or a beach in Bali. Plus, the hours are often flexible. You can choose your shifts, making it a great option if you're looking for part-time work, or if you're a night owl who thrives in the wee hours. And the potential for good earnings, it's there. Your earnings can depend on a few factors, like the company you work for, your skills, and the number of hours you put in. With some companies offering incentives for performance, your income can get a nice boost. With a live chat job, you can have control over your time and your earnings. It's a job that offers flexibility, autonomy, and the chance to interact with people from all over the world. So if you're a people person with a knack for written communication, a live chat job could be just what you're looking for. Scene script. Ready to dive into the world of live chat jobs? Well, let's get you up to speed. First, it's all about building the right skills. Brush up on your communication skills, learn how to multitask efficiently, and get familiar with customer service techniques. There are plenty of online resources and courses you can take to fine-tune these skills. Now, where can you find these jobs? There are several online platforms that post live chat job opportunities. Just remember to do your research and pick a platform that offers good pay and a supportive work environment. And don't forget, our in-house affiliate management team is here to help. We can offer support, provide custom landing pages, and even help you optimize your upsell flow. We're dedicated to not just finding you a job, but ensuring you succeed in it. The future of work is here, and it's in live chat jobs. Now that you know about this exciting opportunity, What's your next move? Dive deeper into live chat jobs, seize the moment and apply, or connect with our supportive team. Let's multiply your earnings together. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to stay updated on more lucrative job opportunities.